Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College. Let's take a look at this morning's German DAX trade. Now, hope you enjoyed the day trading webinar that I did on Tuesday evening. We spoke about the challenge account and how I've grown that challenge account from £10,000. But it's not all about myself. Let's take a little look at one of our students' trades from this morning. Look at Kevo here. He made 100 points in the German DAX even before people were getting to work this morning. So let's walk through that strategy and what he was looking at and how you can do exactly the same as well. Now, let's take a little look at the 1 hour chart of the German DAX. Now, the German DAX is a great market to trade. Now, it's volatile, it makes moves very quickly, and so you've got that great opportunity to make a day's money before you even get to work in the morning, like Kevo did here with the 100 points. But let's walk through the technicals here. Technicals mean the charts. So you can see back here at the start of October, we've got this lovely buy signal on the pro trading system. Pro trading system volatility increased, okay, on the storyteller, which is down below. We went up and we didn't get a red exit signal until several days later. That is a fantastic move. That's like 500 point move. This is a 500 point move here. A pound a point, you made £500. £10 a point, you made by £1,000 if you're doing it in a spread bet account. Now, we don't want to buy the German DAX when it's turning red, okay? On the PTS, the Pro Trading System, red means it's going down here. So we wait for it to turn green. Now, the hardest thing I'm going to teach you is that trends go in 5 waves normally. Up, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until we get a major reversal downwards, okay? So you can see here, the German DAX has had a really nice move higher. We've had a lovely push here, and then we turn red, and then we've got the final 5th wave here. Now the key is, now remember, you're going to get the storyteller indicator as part of the package on the Day Trading Academy. The key is this yellow line. Look at the angle of the yellow line. It's pointing down. That means once we turn red here, we are going to short the market. All right, so that yellow line comes up on the screener, and the screener's here right now. We have our own screener. Remember, you're going to get the screener as part of the package on the Day Trading Academy. So once it comes up on the screener, it gives you the heads up. You can sit here and watch it if you want to, but the screener does the work for you. And it tells you the market's going to reverse. And then Kev then goes down to his smaller time frame and then shorts it when he gets a red PTS. So what that means is you look at the bigger time frame, higher time frame, you get the overall trend and signals, and then you go down to the smaller time frame. Remember what I said the other night, we can then have great risk reward. We don't want to be satisfied with risking 1 to make 2 or risking 1 to make 3. We want to risk 1 to make 5, 6, 10, 12, 13 reward on our trades, okay? That's how you're going to grow your account very, very quickly indeed. We keep it really simple. We want to keep it simple because us human beings can't process all that complicated stuff that's in the markets, all that noise. So remember, the structure here was trend up, green pro trading system buy, okay, on that day, red down, green new buy, storyteller massive angle to the downside on the yellow, comes up on the screener, drop down to smaller time frame, enter the trade, wait for your exit, bank the profits, go and do something else for the rest of the day. All right, Day Trade Academy is open for sign-ups, guys. It will close on Monday evening. Make sure you grab your place. Check out the webinar if you've not watched it as well. The bonuses are unbelievable for you, and we're going to close those bonuses as soon as the Academy starts, which is on Monday. All right, guys, have a great rest of the weekend or day or week or wherever you are watching this video. Speak to you soon. Take care.